So these are the best AI tools for YouTube creators in 2025. So whether you're a YouTube automator or just a YouTuber, these tools will help you greatly. So I've already printed out a script on ChatGPT. This is pretty much a creepypasta. And what you're going to want to do is basically use ChatGPT in order to make these stories, these scripts, or what you could do is go on Reddit, go to a subreddit, and basically look for something scary or something interesting enough in order to make it a video. Now, you can either put it to text to speech and then put a video under it, like while the audio is playing. You could play a video that might capture the audience's glances and their attentions, or you could make it easier by going to Revit.ai. If you've been on YouTube Shorts for quite a while, you probably have seen these Minecraft parkour videos. Basically, it's these videos like a Minecraft character just jumping around parkour, and basically an AI voice is talking behind it. Maybe something scary or something interesting, maybe something funny, but basically it's going to generate a video like that for free, and what you're going to provide is the script that we made from ChatGPT. Simply go over here, this is your video script, and then paste it over here. Now, once you're done with that, just simply generate the video, and there you go. You have now created a free YouTube video that you can upload any moment. You could even choose the kind of voice that you want, or you could record yourself through here. So those are the best AI tools in my opinion for YouTube creators. But this is typically for those YouTube automators, and I believe it would actually really help them out. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.